Hi everyone, my name is Tibor from OK Joinery and I'm here for you to show this beautiful Duplex Dinette. Duplex Dinette is a multifunctional furniture solution for any tiny homes. Don't have to be a tiny home, by the way. It can be fitted anywhere where you have a 3 meter by 3 meter spare space. At the moment this looks like a 4-seater dining set. So 2 benches and the table in the middle. What we want is to show you exactly how you can use this all in one. So you can do from this single bed, double bed, king size bed, twin bed, corner seats, U-shaped sofa and many other configurations available. First of all, what we want is basically pull out the unit and can extend. If you just need spare extra seat, only what you need to do is pull out this unit, we drop down the table and we put one more cushion there. You can do exactly the same in here, pull out the unit, drop down a panel. So then you will have a 3-seater with table. There you go. So you will have a 3-seater bench either side of the table. Basically, before was 4, now is actually 6-seater. So, think quite good setting as well. So from this setting, we also can do many other options. This table can go into the middle if you want it. If we close the unit back and drop down the big table, then you will have a double bed this way. Let's do that. Right. So this is quite comfy. So from now, you can do from this king size bed if you want it. Yeah, this is the design, yeah. The U-shaped seat's quite handy, I love it. The backrest cushions there, like that. You can pull out this side so you can make it bigger if you want it. I think it's a good size for a small table in the middle. Like that. It's also, as I said, great for kids, for sleepover. So when you got this on the end of the kitchen, there's always the option to use it as a sofa. So if you don't need table at all, you can do that. You still can sit down and just having a rest or just watch the telly. It is modular furniture. Really flexible. As you've seen on this video, you can use this many different ways, not only for one. Imagine that in footprint, this is less than 2 meter by 2 meter, so 4 square meter of space, but it gives you freedom because you can do anything from this. Let's put this back to dinette mode. So to do that, we're gonna put away all of the spare parts what we don't need now. The small cushions can fit into the storage, all of them if you don't need it. The bar also fit into the storage. Cushions a little bit I would like to talk. Got a zip on it. You can just remove and you can wash it, but also it's a fire retardant material, water resistant and also antibacterial. So in the daytime, imagine you got the airship kitchen and that's the kitchen area and you come in, living room there. So you will have here a dining set and you can sit down and have a food. So you have a quite few more configuration what is not on this video, but I think the basic stuff in here and this gives you a kind of clue how you can use this in any tiny space. But as I said, it don't have to be tiny space. It can be anywhere where you have a 2 meter by 2 meter space. It can be even in a bedroom, kids room, in the living room, in a garden, in a summer house, in a man cave, next to the bar. So it's basically very nice multifunctional booth what you can use all year round.
I built castles in the sand. When I was young, I'd watch them crumble in my hands when the tide was up. But now I'm older and one glance of yours is enough to hold the secrets of the sea. 'Cause when you look at me, I see the waves against the shore. I see an ever-open door. I see your home that's glowing warm through any weather. I'm watching galaxies collide.